quick tutorial on how to enable and disable automations to work at certain times of day or at sunrise, sunset. We're going to do one here to turn on at sunset. So we'll start by go to scene and we'll create a new automation. So when weather changes, a sunrise, sunset, so we want just to enable that sunset, so we'll turn on for sunset. You can do time before or after sunset if you choose. We'll just do it for sunset, go next. Then pop down to the then, and we want to control a smart scene. So you select your automation. Now I've pre-set up these smart scenes to turn on or off the motion sensor. So because it's sunset, we want to turn the motion sensor on. So we'll be on and we will enable it. And go next and save and give it a name. You can obviously name it anything you like. Means something to you, and that's it. So these are the automations that are already set up. So for the motion sensor, I've got one there that's when the motion sensor is activated, it turns on a light and a switch. So what this will do is at sunset, it'll just turn these on like that. So you just create another one to turn it off at sunrise. So you have them both turned off at sunrise and then have them both turn on at sunset, and that'll activate your lights. Hope that helps. Thank you.